Hello dear friends, welcome back. Let's discuss about this next branch which arises from the superior mesenteric artery, right? So we have discussed up to here, this is our right colic artery. Now this artery which arises from the superior mesenteric artery, this is going to two important region. One branch of it is going towards the ileum and one branch of it is going towards the middle part of the, towards the middle part or the lower part of the ascending colon, right? So when this artery, this branch is going towards the colon, that's why we call it the colic branch. Clear? This is the colic branch. And this branch is going towards the ileum, that's why we call it the ileal branch. Ileal branch, right? And this is the common portion of them, so that's why we call it the ileocolic branch. Right, so this is our ileocolic branch or artery. This is our ileocolic artery, the colic branch, the ileal branch, and we will see the branches of it in a while. Okay, so let's discuss about the ileocolic artery. Artery. Done. What is ileocolic artery? First of all, it is a branch of superior mesenteric artery. The branch of superior mesenteric artery. Done. Then what is the next important point about it? This branch runs obliquely, you can see, and it is running towards the junction between the ileum and colon, right? Or ileocecal junction, you can also say. So then what is the next point? It runs obliquely towards ileocolic junction. Okay, done. Then it divides into two branches. And it divides into colic branch and iliac branch. Okay, then what does iliac branch do and what does colic branch do? Let us see about these branches. First, iliac branch. Look carefully. What is iliac branch? Look, this is our iliac branch and it is coming towards the ileum. So it supplies blood to the last part of the ileum. Important point about it, it supplies blood to last part of ileum. Okay. Then what does it do? Then this artery is also anastomosing with, look, follow me friends, this is our superior mesenteric artery and it's coming like this, and this is its terminal part, the end part. Now this is our ileal branch, so this ileal branch is making anastomosis with what? The terminal part of the superior mesenteric artery, right? So it anastomoses with terminal part of SMA, superior mesenteric artery. Look, once again, this is the ileal branch and this is the superior mesenteric artery coming and making a round an arc here and anastomosis with the ileal branch of the ileocolic artery. So the ileal branch will make anastomosis with the terminal part of the superior mesenteric artery. And from it, friends, one thing we should not forget, from this branch, the ileal branch, there are small branches which are rising from it, the anterior cecal artery, posterior cecal artery, and one other branch which we should not forget. This branch is going towards the appendix, right? That's why we call this branch as appendicular branch. So how many other branches arise from this ileal branch? The sub branches from it are the anterior cecal artery or branch, which is coming towards the cecum interiorly, and you can see here this is shown in the dotted manner. That's why this artery is posterior. So we say the posterior cecal branch, right? And you saw right now this branch is coming towards, look, from the ileal branch, this branch is coming towards the appendix. That's why we say that there is the appendicular branch. So this ileal branch is further giving three small branches towards the interior part of the cecum, towards the posterior part of the cecum, and towards the appendix also, right? So these three are the small branches from the ileal branch. Now the colic branch, what does colic branch do? Colic branch. So this colic branch is the terminal branch, is the right sided going branch of the ileocolic artery, and this artery is responsible to supply blood to the lower part or to the middle part of the of the ascending colon, right? Let's write it here. Supply blood to ascending colon. Okay, we know it. Then it anastomosis with, look carefully friends, it is making anastomosis with what? With the descending branch of the right colic artery. So we write here it anastomose with descending branch of right colic artery. Once again, look, this is our right colic artery. This is the descending branch I have discussed in the previous lecture. This is its ascending branch. So this descending branch of the right colic artery is making anastomosis with the colic branch of the ileocolic artery, right? So this was about the ileocolic artery, which was the second branch which arises from the right side of the superior pancreatic artery, and they are giving branches towards the ileum, towards the ascending colon, towards the upper part, the middle part, and the lower parts of it, and towards the appendix also. Now in the next lecture, I will record about, or I will discuss about the middle colic artery and its branches. So see you guys in the next lecture.